Hi, today I thought we could have a look at this. It's a Beetle Baby series disco light. The first thing to note is that the actual light is not the one shown on the box. I think it's actually better. Let's get rid of the box and see the light. Here it is. Yes, it is small, but it is actually quite powerful. Lens here, lens there, and a spot there. I'll show you what that's for in a minute. As you see, this has the 4-button, 4-digit LED display. A lot of disco lights have this now. Up, down, menu and enter. Mains input, DMX out, DMX in. But this one also has a remote control. The best thing to do is plug it in. Like most lights of this style, it's figuring out where it is. That's actually running in option 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. 5 is the spot. I'll show you what that does in a minute. This is 6. 7. 8. And 9 puts it in standby. Yes, you can see it's a couple of beams pointing out, but we're sitting down looking at it. It's best if you look at the ceiling. Please hold. Here we are. It actually looks quite good. The remote control does not allow you to change speed of the rotation, but I would guess that DMX does. Here's the spot. Yes, it's an LED laser. It came from AliExpress. I believe it was less than £40. I actually got it so that I could have it outside instead of fireworks on bonfire night. It actually did work quite well, but being as it's beams, beams work best if they're very bright or if there's mist, fog or haze. So unfortunately I won't be showing you outside. And obviously bonfire night, and this being English weather, you've got to get a good night for it. I quite like it. It's different to say the least. Here we are. I've plugged it into my watt meter so you can see how much power it's using. As you just saw briefly, it used 20 watts, but for the majority of the time it uses 5 or 6 watts, or 21 watts there. Obviously, because it's LED, it depends upon what colour is on at the time as to how much it draws. But at most 21 watts. It's not really worth worrying about. I'm quite happy with it. The only downside, as far as I can see, is that there's no bracket for you to mount it on the ceiling. Therefore, you will have to have it on the floor. So be careful where you tread. But yes, I think it's rather good. It would be even better at night if you could have some fog or mist. But then again, you can't have this outside because water will not do it any good. For size perspective, that is a double A size battery sitting in front of it. The light itself weighs less than 1 kilogram. If you like this content, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like this content, hit the thumbs up button 3 times. A subscription to the channel, which is free, will be great as well. Even better if you hit the bell notification icon. And as usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.